Let's play Crash, Splash, or Moo. Can you say these 3 words? Crash, splash, moo? You can? Oh, good. Then you can play and win the loudest, wildest, funniest game you'll ever find inside a kid's book. Calling all daredevils, it's time to play Crash, Splash, or Moo. Meet Mr. McMonkey. He's your host with the world's best grand prize and offer. Meet Action Clam, America's favorite stunt clam and #1 thrill-seeking mollusk. Meet Cow, cud-chewing champ, maker of milk, poised to win the hearts of millions. Meet you! Yes, you get to play this game too. You guess the outcome of each crazy feat. You get to win or lose. You get to give yourself a round of applause. Ready to play? Let's go! Do you like action? Are you a good guesser? Then get ready to play! Crash, Splash, or Moo. Written and illustrated by Bob Shea. How to play. Fearless daredevils perform amazing stunts, and you guess what happens. Will they crash? Will they splash? Or will they moo? Guess right and win a delicious banana. Yay! Guess all the stunts right and you win the best prize in the world. The secret prize. Let's meet the team. Action Clam. First, it's Action Clam, America's favorite splashing, crashing stunt clam. And this is Cow, who does cow stuff. And I'm your monkey host, Mr. McMonkey. Come on, let's play. Stunt number 1. If Action Clam drives this speedy race car into a giant tower of blocks, what do you guess will happen? Raise your hand if you guess crash. Raise your hand if you guess splash. Raise your hand if you guess moo. Vroom. Did you guess crash? Give yourself a big round of applause. You just won your first banana. Stunt number 2. Cow, a skateboard, and a super duper mega looper. Okay, for your second banana, can you guess what amazing thing is about to happen? Raise your hand if you guess crash. Raise your hand if you guess splash. Raise your hand if you guess moo. Psst, it's probably not moo. Did you guess moo? Give yourself a big round of applause. You win another banana. You're a really good guesser. Okay, Frankie 2 bananas. Let's see if you can guess the next one. Stunt number 3. Action Clam, a cannon, and a really far away glass of water. For the next sweet treat you eat with your feet, what do you guess will happen? Boom! Raise your hand if you guess crash. Raise your hand if you guess splash. Raise your hand if you guess moo. I'm guessing moo, like last time. Did you guess splash? Wow. Give yourself a big round of applause. You win another banana. Does that make 3? That's plenty to share with a banana-loving pal. Hint, hint. Only one more stunt until the big one. Stunt 4. Cow, a motorcycle, and 10 school buses. Okay, smarty banana pants, what do you guess? Raise your hand if you guess crash. Raise your hand if you guess splash. Raise your hand if you guess moo. I guess honk. Moo? I did not see that coming. Did you guess moo? Give yourself a big round of applause. You win yet another banana. I'll swing by next week for some banana bread. And now, a stunt so big, it has an extra special name. Stunt 5, the big one. This is for the most secret, best prize in the whole wide world. No pressure. Action clam, cow, a rocket pack, a piñata, and a vat of butterscotch pudding. Raise your hand if you guess crash. Raise your hand if you guess splash. Whoosh! Raise your hand if you guess moo. Raise your foot if I can have a banana. Did you guess crash, splash, and moo? Give yourself a big round of applause. Do you know what else that means? You win the world's best prize. Hold on to your socks because they are about to be knocked off. That's right, you win a golden banana. That's a regular banana that I spray painted gold. Here's a big golden banana round of applause for you. See you next time for more stunt guessing banana style action.